Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Tesla Model Y step by step. First, ensure your phone key is active or tap your key card on the B pillar to unlock the car. Once inside, place your foot firmly on the brake pedal. This action powers on the vehicle, and you'll hear a soft hum. Next, take a moment to adjust your seat, steering wheel, and side mirrors for a comfortable and safe driving position. You are now ready for the next step. With the car powered on, it's time to select your gear. To engage drive, push the right stalk located behind the steering wheel all the way down. For reverse, push it up. Once in drive, gently press the accelerator pedal to smoothly begin moving. Remember, Teslas are very responsive. Use the left stalk for turn signals and to control the windshield wipers. Practice in an open area to get a feel for the acceleration. The Tesla Model Y offers advanced driving features. To engage autopilot, pull the right stalk down twice in quick succession. Always remain attentive and keep your hands on the wheel. Regenerative braking is a key feature. The car slows down significantly when you lift your foot off the accelerator, recovering energy. This takes some getting used to. For stronger braking or emergencies, always use the dedicated brake pedal on the left. When you're ready to park, simply press the button on the end of the right stalk to engage park mode. The car will automatically apply the parking brake. For charging, open the charge port door, usually located on the left rear side, and plug in the charging cable. It's a straightforward process. Also, make sure to check the description below for a link to those amazing leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Happy driving!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.